We'll guide you through how to download and install NeoForge. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. NeoForge is a mod launcher, so with it means we can then go and start getting mods for Minecraft which are for NeoForge. We'll guide you through how you can do this. To get started, go and quit Minecraft. Here we are on my desktop. Go and open up a web browser of your choice. Now what we can do is go and type in NeoForge like so, and you want to come to the site neoforge.net. Here we are. So what we can then do is go and get the installer. We can go and get it for the latest version here, which is 1.21.5, or you can click for other versions and go to the version list. So I'll go and select 1.21.5 and we can press a download button. NeoForge is now downloading, so we have it. But we can also go and get some mods for it. So a great site I like to use is called CurseForge. You can go and search for it or head straight to neoforge.com and we can select Minecraft and click browse all. If there's a specific mod you want, you can search for it or come down to the left and you can select NeoForge and we can set the game version to the version you got NeoForge for. In this case, I could get Journey Map. I'll go and click on it and click Files and find the version. So in this case, I need to get it for 1.21.5 and NeoForge, which is this one here. I'll press the three dots and press download file and wait. It's finished, but before we start the install process, a shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice for a server. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description so you can easily go and check it out. They've got some great features, for example, 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can go and get the help anytime you need it, and also one-click install mod packs, make them super easy to install, instant setup, and much more. If you're interested, I'll link them down below. Open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. Press downloads to the left, and what we can then do is go and install NeoForge. Double click on it like so, and it should open up like this. If it doesn't, perhaps nothing happens or something else opens, this is because you don't have Java installed. So you can go and open up your web browser, and what you want to do is type in java.com. You can head straight to the site or search for it and come here, press download Java for desktops and then press download. It will download and you can then go and install it. Now what you need to do is after you've done that is come back to downloads, find NeoForge and right click on it, hover over open with and click choose another app, select Java and you can select always. Then it should go and run. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix. We've got a video on that and it links jar and Java files together again. So you can go and do that. Once you've got this open, select install client and press proceed. The process is going to begin and you can wait. When it's finished, it will go and say it was successful. Then what you can do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher like so. Go to the top and press installations. You need to scroll down and go and find NeoForge. As you can see, here it is. Hover over it to the right and you see open installations folder. Scroll down and we can then go and find the mods folder. Now open it up and go and add in the mod or mods you have. So what we can do is go and click, hold and drag it in like so, and there it is. After you've added it, hover over it and you can press play. Understand you're playing a modified version and it will start. You can see we've got NeoForge in the bottom left and we've got this mods button. That's it. I can press J and I can go and start using it.